Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Launcher not opening or nothing happens when you click play on PC. First, run the Gaming Services Repair tool. Open your browser, go to the official Microsoft page, download the tool, run the .exe file, and let the repair complete. Once it says completed successfully, try launching the launcher again. If it still doesn't work, install Xbox Identity Provider from Microsoft Store. Open the page, click Install or Update, then check again. Next, reinstall Gaming Services. Open PowerShell as administrator, run the uninstall command, then run the install command. This will open Microsoft Store. Install Gaming Services fully, then relaunch the launcher. If you face issues installing it, restart your PC and run the commands again. Now repair or reset the launcher. Search Minecraft Launcher, App Settings, click Terminate, then Repair. If needed, click Reset. Still not working? Uninstall the launcher completely, then reinstall it from the official Minecraft website. Download the Windows version and install it. You can also try the legacy launcher from the same website and test it. Next, re-register Microsoft Store apps. Open PowerShell as admin, run the command provided, wait for it to finish, then restart your PC. Now update Microsoft Store. Open it, go to Library or Downloads, and click Update All. Also make sure the Xbox app is installed and updated. Finally, open the Xbox app, search for Minecraft Launcher, install it if needed, then go to Manage, Files, Verify, and Repair. One of these steps should fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Error Genie.